Hello fashion lovers, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be making tutorial on this beautiful pants palazzo trouser. Okay, can you see this beautiful pant trouser? That's what you're going to focus on today. Join me to the cutting room and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, let's go. Okay, so we are going to make use of this beautiful print, this beautiful crepe print. We're going to make use of it. Then our tape rule, our zip, and our thread, the chalk for marking, and pattern ruler, our scissors. Okay, those are the things we're going to use. Let's go into the cutting. So for the cutting, before you start the cutting, you're going to fold your fabric into two, and you're going to fold it by measuring your lap measurements into 2. You're going to divide it into 2 plus 5 inches. Okay, once you get that, you head in to go and mark your trouser length. Okay, and while marking that, you're going to remove 2 inches for band before marking it. Okay, that 2 inches, you're going to still add it. Then you go ahead to mark your crotch measurement. Yes, you're going to mark your crotch measurement. Okay, these are the things you're going to mark first. While marking the crotch measurement, you're going to still remove that 2 inches, which will serve as our band, our waistband. Okay, yes, it will serve as our waistband. Then you go ahead to use your curve ruler to trace out the lines you've marked out already, the crotch measurement you've marked out already. Okay, so once you're done doing that, you head to mark your front crotch. You're going to mark your front crotch extension. Okay, you're going to mark your front crotch extension, which you're going to remove 2 inches from our folded fabric. We're going to remove 2 inches from it. Okay, yes, you're going to remove 2 inches from it. From there you mark, and these 2 inches will be from your crotch line down to your waistline. Okay, yeah, so once you're done with that, you're going to use your curve ruler to trace the lines out. Okay, so once you're done doing that, you're going to come up by 1.5 inches depending on your measurement. You're going from there, you're going to mark out your crotch curve. Okay, your crotch curve, that's what you're going to mark from that 1 inch extension up. You're going to mark it out. Then from there you curve it out to the waist side. Then you trace down to the length of your pant trouser, and that is it for this beautiful trouser. Okay, then after that, you're going to still go ahead to mark, to remove 1 inch from your waist side. Okay, you're going to remove 1 inch from your waist side and going to mark that from your crotch line side. Then you connect it down to the hip line side. Okay, just see what I'm doing here. I'm going to connect it down to the hip line side, and that is it. Okay, just watch it and you go ahead to cut out what you've marked. Once you're done cutting, you're going to place the front side on a folded fabric to cut out the back side. Then from that, your crotch side, you're going to extend it by 2 inches from the crotch line down to the waist side. Then from that crotch line down to the length of the pants. Then you connect with your chalk on a straight line. Okay, so for that 1 inches that we remove at the waist side earlier, you're still going to replace it here. Okay, you're replacing the 1 inches here. Can you see? You're going to replace it here. Then you still go ahead to cut out. So this is the cut out. This is it here. Yeah, we are done cutting out, and this is it. So let's go ahead to do the stitching, the sewing part of it. Okay, we are going to do that by getting the two sides of the front side. You're going to make a stitch on the crotch line side. At the front side too, you're going to make a stitch on the crotch line side. You're going to make a stitch on the two both the front and the back, and it will be on the crotch line side. Okay, let's head to the machine to do that. Okay, so once you are done with that, you're going to open up your fabric this way, then get your nipple to nipple measurement, which mine is 4.5. Then from the crotch line there, you're going to mark your 4.5. Then for that line you mark the 4.5, you're going to mark another 4.5 again. Then from that line again, you're going to mark another 4.5 again. Can you see you have 2 gaps there? Okay, once you're done marking that, you're going to pick the first line that you mark. You're going to meet that first middle line. Do you understand? Pick the first marking, then join it to the middle one. Okay, then after that you secure it with your pin. Then you pick the other side again, the last marking, you're going to pick it to join the middle marking. Okay, 2 of them are going to meet like this. That's why they call it kiss pleating. Can you see what I'm doing here? 2 of them is going to meet like this. Pick the first line, meet the middle, pick the last one at the hip side line, meet the middle, and secure it with your pin. So once you're done doing that, you're going to head to your machine to make a stitch to guide this thing. Okay, and you're going to do that both this left side, the other side, the back side, the other side, so the 4 corners. Okay, that is where you're going to make this pleating. All right, so let's head to the pocket side now. So for the pockets, you're going to get a fabric like this. You're going to get a fabric, I'm just using freehand measurement here. Get a fabric with like 20 inches or thereabout, then place your hand this way and make it curve like pocket, and this is the outcome. This is just a freehand cutting of pocket. Okay, once you're done doing that, you head to make the stitches. Okay, then bring the front side of the fabric. You're going to bring it this way. Can you see the stitches have been done already to secure the pleating? So you're going to, from that waist side, you come down by 2 inches. Okay, from that 2 inches, you're going to come down by 7 inches, which this will serve as the space to fix in your hand while putting your hand inside the pocket. Okay, this is the distance. Okay, then you get your pocket and place it this way, front side facing front side and back side facing back side. Okay, this is how you're going to place it. The same thing on the left side, that's how you're going to face it. Okay, this will go around for the 4 corners of this pant. Okay, I'm done doing it this way. Can you see? I'm done placing all of them and they are facing, the front is facing the front and the back is facing the back. Okay, so the next thing I will do now is to go ahead and make a stitch on these particular places that I'm directing. Can you see? You make a stitch on that. After that, you go to your flap side. Then from that your flap side, that is your crotch side, you're going to make a stitch down there to close up that area. Let me go to the machine and do it and bring it back for you to see. So I'm done doing that, and this is the outcome of everything that I've stitched. Okay, I'm done stitching the middle side, the side, and the pocket, and the next thing now will be our waistband. Okay, we're going to go ahead to fixing our waistband. I hope you're understanding this video. I hope you understand it because it's self-explanatory. Just carefully calm down and watch it and you get what I'm doing here. So for the waistband, you're going to measure your waist and you cut it by 2 inches or 2.5 inches with the sewing allowance and all that. Okay, you're going to cut 2.5 inches or 2 point some inches both for sewing allowance and for your waistband. Okay, but make sure that that 2 inches that you remove while cutting that waist side is intact. You're not going to touch it. Okay, then that's it. You go ahead to make a stitch and fix it to your pants waist side. Okay, that's what I'm trying to do here. Yeah, you're going to fold it into 2 here. You can secure yours with a stay gum. All right, you can secure it with a stay gum, or if you can handle it this way, you go ahead to stitch it on to your palazzo pant. Okay, just hold it this way and stitch it on till you reach to the other side, and that is just it. Then you go ahead to fix your zip, and this is the final look of our trouser. Can you see? the pant is ready. It's very simple and self-explanatory. Just carefully watch the video and don't rush it, and you understand the video. At this point, I believe you're supposed to help me to click on that subscribe button and share this video and click on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a tutorial like this. And please don't forget to like, comment, okay? Comment whatever you don't like or whatever you want me to do in the next video. Just comment it in the comment section and I will try my possible best to do a video on that your comment, okay? Please, thank you for always tuning in to watch my video. I really appreciate. For newcomers, thank you for joining this family and God bless you so much, okay? Thank you. See you all in my next video. Bye.